Hi, dear student. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Today, I'm going to continue the lesson 5, and we will cover pages between 127 to 129. Uh, Today, the topic is the role of acid in our daily life. Um So, one thing that acid can be involved in our life is presence of acid in our stomach or tummy. Uh, so when we eat food, and the food will be stored in our stomach, first of all, uh, there is hydrochloric acid naturally is available in our stomach, which can digest the food or break down the food. But sometimes, depends on the situation, hydrochloric acid can be exist in our stomach. So, in this case, food cannot be digest, cannot be uh, break down. Uh, so the food can be stay in our tummy, in our stomach for a long time, which is painful and we call indigestion, and a stomach ulcer after a long time, after if it's happened for a long time, many times. So a stomach ulcer can be happen also. So how we can treat these or a remedy? What is the remedy of this condition? Is taking anticide or antacid. For example, milk of magnesia is contain of magnesium hydroxide, and also we can use Alka-Seltzer, seltzer, which is a name of a drug, a name of a medicine. I mean, we can. It's available commercially in pharmacy, and we can use to neutralize this acid. This medicine is contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. Uh, in uh, another things that acid can be involved in our daily life is uh, discoloring in cattle. Okay, I think you face many times with this issue in your daily life. Uh, this is usually happen based on the area. The area which the water is hard water, and it's contained the water is contained of limestone. Okay, uh, the calcium carbonate, which usually we call lime scale, lime, they can be concentrate here after boiling the water, when the water leave the kettle. So the calcium carbonate, which is available in the water, which is mixed in water based on the area, and so the calcium carbonate can left on the metals or any part of your kettle. These are I prepared the reaction between the calcium cations is available in water. Okay, when the water boiling, and can the water can be separated as a gas, and also like carbon dioxide, and the rest calcium carbonate can be form of the can be a form of solid and concentrate here. Okay, line scale can be removed by acid. If we want to treat this problem, to solve this problem, we can use acid uh, like vinegar and methanoic acid. Okay, these two can help. Methanoic acid can be available in pharmacy, I think. You can uh, check. And vinegar also is usually we have vinegar in our kitchen. There is for we can use it to remove the lime scale. Okay. The another thing, acid can be involved for plant growth, and uh, we can have acidic soil and alkaline soil based on area. Acid acidic soil can have high peat and minerals. If there is uh, too much minerals and peat, the soil can be acidic. And this type of acid soil having rotting and vegetation, lack of oxygen. Okay, this type of soil or lack of oxygen. And if farmer use fertilizers, the soil can be acidic. And also another uh, cause is acid rain. Okay, in some industrial city, some places which there is very acidic fume from factories, so it's expected there is acid rain. Okay, so the result from the acid rain is acidic soil. Okay, um, the reason for having alkaline soil is having lime. As I said, based on area, based on the it's related to geographic. It's related to the geographic of land, and soil can have a lime or calcium carbonate. If soil have this chemical, the soil can be alkaline. Okay, what is the remedy? How we can solve this problem? If the soil is too acidic, we can add limestone. We can add powdered chalk. Okay, powdered chalk has same property like limestone. Both are base or alkaline, which can neutralize the acidity of soil. If the soil is too alkaline, we can add some peat. The peat which is available in acidic soil. Here we can use peat to neutralize the alkaline soil, and we can use decaying organic matter, compost, or manure. Uh, usually farmer use this organic matter, which is the waste organic of animals or plants, to add the soil. The soil can be adjustable in terms of pH. It would not be very alkaline, and it would not be very acidic. It should be neutralized. Okay, next one actually is the last one, is the rule of acid after they come from the factories or houses. Uh, Totally from a city, which industrial places including houses or factories, the wastewater from this area is very acidic often. wastewater from the factories is acidic. Not only factories, from the houses are totally wastewater, and they need to be treated before they enter to the river. Okay, if those water enter to the river, of course, it's very harmful for fish and plants and animals and our biological environment. So in this case, slaked lime is usually added for neutralizing the water. Okay, if the water are, as we learned before, our soil is too much acidic, we can use lime or carbonate calcium. Here, slaked lime, that means very small piece of limestone. In another case, sometimes in factory or industrial uh, places or power station, they usually release uh, very acidic gas. Okay, they release acidic gas from their as a fuel. They emit this kind of gas to the atmosphere, so they can use flue gas, desul, desulfurizer. The pronunciation is very tough. Or a scrubber. Okay, they use this equipment can spray slaked lime. Okay, when they spray, the carbonate calcium of the lime can react with acidic gas. Here in this condition, they can react with the very acidic gas, and the more clean gas can release from the station, from the scrubber. Okay, so scale lime can be sprayed by a scrubber before acidic based gas released to the atmosphere. If they don't do that, the acidic gas can go to the atmosphere, and after that we will have acidic rain. So those kind of waste gas or acidic gas uh, can get form of the cloud and make acidic rain. So as we know, the acidic rain can damage the lands, plants, and even buildings, sculptures, and many things. So today we have learned the rule of acid in our life. So how acid can be involved in our daily life. Next time we will study about the rule of uh, basic or alkaline in our daily life. Thank you so much. That's all for today, and please leave a comment as done for your today attendance.